As per our ongoing Cardano cost expectation, the worth of Cardano will expanded by 234.78%. Coming to 90 cents by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the apprehension and eagerness file basically is perusing 35.04, and that implies especially intense trepidation, or so they thought. Our Cardano figure, it's dangerous to sell Cardano this moment, which is genuinely critical. On September 16, 2023. Practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative opinion among Cardano cost forecasts. See the by and large definite Cardano cost expectation underneath. You will basically know the amount Cardano especially is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the fundamentally most recent 30 days, Cardano has diminished by 7.75%. Because of this, we can generally get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Cardano expanded by 114.43% and came to approach around 54 cents. As of now, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and eagerness file shows 35.04 intense feelings of dread in a significant manner. As per our gauge, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Cardano explicitly. As of now, Cardano sort of is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal a significant way. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Cardano selling in every way that really matters. Signal amazingly. The cost of Cardano is at present running underneath the 50-day fundamentally straightforward moving exceptionally normal SMA, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 33 cents toward the finish of December, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. By December 2023-2024, Cardano's momentary 50-day SMA shows at 27 cents. The overall strength record, RSI, energy oscillator by and large, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital money especially is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is as of now at or civilu in a significant manner. This demonstrates that the ADA market is in an unbiased position. Cardano value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Cardano came to 40 cents when it explicitly dipped under 24 cents. Interestingly, since January 2021, or so they thought. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Cardano is en route to passing the 55 cents mark before the current year's over in an unpretentious manner. Before 55 cents, it might break its characteristic of $3.10 and explicitly arrive at in a significant manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Cardano will break its past all-time high of $3.10 and hold somewhere in the range of 54 cents and 55 cents soon. At this point, on 16 September 2023, Cardano in every practical sense is exchanging at 25 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 105.72 M, and it really makes number 7 money in the entire crypto world amazingly. Cardano value expectation 2024. There explicitly is plausible that Cardano can get through the 65 cents boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Cardano cost will generally be between 54 cents to 65 cents, and the most essentially possible Cardano cost will be consistent at around 60 cents. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Cardano's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its naturally antagonistic energy utilization, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Cardano will reach 65 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Cardano value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that ADA will, in a real sense, start the year at 74 cents and exchange around 90 cents in an unpretentious manner. As per their expectations, this would be very essentially high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Cardano value forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Cardano 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal truly most extreme $1.14 level. Cardano essentially is somewhat anticipated to really arrive at an untouched high of $1.05 or $1.14 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Cardano in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. Cardano Value Forecast, or ADA, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it explicitly can possibly, all things considered, accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap, which certainly is genuinely critical. Cardano's cost fundamentally is supposed to outperform $1.14 in 2027. It has been anticipated that Cardano will basically arrive at the most extreme cost of $1.14, and the base cost especially is supposed to be around 96 cents in the following a long time from 2027, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists truly foresee in every practical sense, say that Cardano Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Cardano is supposed to, in a real sense, cross a value level of $1.30 in 2028, in a for the most part significant manner. In the meantime, Cardano sort of is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $1.19 this year, or so they thought. The most extreme cost might reach $1.34. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Cardano Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation truly anticipate that the expense of Cardano will truly reach $1.84, and the cost of ADA ought to reach $1.84 before the year's over. Also, ADA can sort of reach up to $1.69 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will truly get huge years for Cardano development, an unobtrusive way. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Cardano Value Expectation are supposed to cross the $2.60 normal cost level, as per Cardano Gauge and Specialized Investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Cardano's genuinely least cost truly is supposed to be $2.44. Furthermore, ADA can arrive at a most extreme value level of $2.62. Toward the finish of 2030, Cardano will really have a typical cost of $2.62. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. Cardano Value Expectation 2031. Cardano cost really is assessed to reach $3.44 by 2031, at in every practical sense least, with a typical exchanging cost of $3.53.